Enough is enough. Make una no hurt the next generation. Buhari to ASUU. President Muhammadu Buhari don yarn academic staff union of universities when people sabi as ASUU make them go back to school so that students will continue their education. Buhari talk this one for him hometown for Daura, Katsina State, when he meet with Progressive Governors Forum and some members of APC National Working Committee. Buhari talk say even though the matter not too good, but people they appreciate the good work when him administration they do.
It has been tough, but I thank God that people are appreciating the personal efforts we are making, all of us, not me alone. Please keep on working for our people, for our country. We are a lucky people.
Concerning ASUU strike, Buhari can talk say no be bad thing at all for people to show government, say they're not happy at all with wetin government they do, but make them not use them hurt the next generation. Buhari can still talk say make ASUU go back to school so that students will continue their education.
There's nothing wrong with showing the government and the leadership that you don't like what they are doing, but enough is enough. Don't hurt the next generation, for goodness sake. So those of you who have friends that are teachers, persuade them to go back to classes so that our children can resume their educational pursuit.
Abubakar Atiku Bagudu, wey be chairman for Progressive Governors Forum and governor for Kebbi State, can talk say common man for street don't benefit from the Buhari administration sake of the ogbonge policies when they better the lives of poor people.
Under you, encouraged by you, our nation has witnessed the greatest investment in the people at the lowest level of the income strata. The food policy measures you have taken has convinced both Nigerians and our neighbors that you mean business. And we have seen investments across the country in different states that were not there before. Investments which are consistent with what you have shown. Let us grow what we eat and eat what we grow. It is your forthrightness, it is your patriotism and belief in Nigeria. Every time we come to you, you support and accede to requests we make in order to make sure that Nigeria is a better country.
The country talk say APC governors go work hard to make sure say APC remain for power for 2023 and constantly continue the better things when Buhari administration don't start.
The members of this forum would like to assure you that we'll work very, very hard to ensure the success of our party. We have all reasons to work hard, and we are confident that with what you have helped us achieve in Nigeria, as we go around Nigeria to campaign for our party under your leadership, we have a great story to tell. We believe Nigerians will trust us and Nigerians will appreciate that even where the outcomes are less than what we had hoped, that we have done well. You have done well, and we are very, very proud of you.
Omo Aluki Ajakaye, TMC TV News.